Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got an exciting unboxing of a new affordable RGB gaming speaker. This is the Senzer CS20. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing and see what we get. All right, so let's go ahead and open up this box from Senzer. This is the CS20 gaming speakers. So let's go ahead, open it up, see what we get inside. Okay, so for a set of gaming speakers, another affordable gaming speaker review. On the side here, we've got some information about the speakers. It shows that they are 2.5 inch by 2. They are 5 watt by 2, has the frequency. They have Bluetooth and USB, and they can be powered by a 5 volt 2 amp power supply that's not included. Let's see if there's anything else on here. So it shows full range drive unit, easy to control, USB powered, and Bluetooth USB input. So let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, so we've got on top here, it looks like we have an adapter. This is a USB-C to USB-A adapter for the USB cord. And we have 2 speakers in here. It looks like they are wrapped in some bubble wrap. So we'll go ahead and pull these out. Okay, so this is the first speaker. So first impressions, looks really nice. It's got that chrome volume button there. It does have 2 buttons on the outside here, which are both pretty clicky or tactile. You can see the speaker inside. It's pretty nice. It's got a little bit of a sheen to it. Let's look around the back side of the speaker here. So we do have a hole here for venting, and then we do have the cable connection for the USB and the connection going to the second speaker. Okay, and I've gone ahead and pulled the second speaker out of the bubble wrap. And same thing on this side, we have that nice grill here, and we have the Senzer logo across here. It looks kind of like a brushed finish here, so it looks really nice. Same thing around the sides, we've got the connection here in the back. And then we do have a USB type A connector. So that's gonna go into the adapter. Also inside the box, we get a warranty. So this has a 14-day extended warranty that comes with this. This also has 18-month warranty. So you can scan this for an extended warranty, which is nice with a budget speaker like this. Then we also have some instructions in here on the speaker, how to connect it, and we'll be setting that up here. So there's a QR code down there for the user manual as well, and then it just goes over some basic operations. All right, so at first glance, let's go ahead and put these speakers down here so you can see. One thing that's really cool about these speakers is that they have the ability to convert into a single sound bar. You have one speaker, or you can have 2 individual speakers. So to do that, we're just going to take the speakers here, and there is a little notch here, and we just go ahead and just slide that on there like so. And now we've got this nice looking speaker bar that can be used on the desktop with your setup. Go ahead and plug it in just a bit so we can take a look at the RGB lighting, which it does have. It has some settings. Okay, and we've got the speakers plugged in, and as you can see, we've got the RGB lighting down here that's changing. It does have a few different modes. So it has a rainbow mode like you're seeing now. And then if we press the button here, so we'll press this button once, now we have a different look. So we have this color changing with just the RGB lights here. Let me go ahead and dim the studio light so you can see this a little better. Okay, so it is a little bit darker here. So if we go ahead and press the button again, then we've got a different RGB setting here. So we've got this color bars across on both sides, which is really nice. Go ahead and press it again. And then this gives us a solid color. So we have our blue. If we press it again, that will go ahead and turn off the RGB lighting. We'll press it one more time. And look, we got that nice rainbow action going on there. All right, and we got the light back on. So we're going to go ahead and pair this. I'm going to go ahead and use my mobile phone here. We'll go ahead and pair it to this just so we can test it out, see how it works. So the button here is the on-off button, it looks like. So if we press it once,
Bluetooth mode.
As you can hear, it says Bluetooth mode. So I'm going to go ahead and just search for that device on my phone. And there we go, the CS20. So we'll go ahead and connect that. And we'll go ahead and accept that.
Device paired.
And there we go. And we get that nice confirmation with the voice saying that the device is paired. And let's go ahead and just play a little bit of music here so you can hear what the sound is like. Okay, and sounds pretty good just playing some music from the phone. We'll test this out in our computer setup and let you know how this works. As you can see, I've gone ahead and pulled them apart into two separate speakers. You can see the volume button there and the RGB lighting on this speaker. And then if we pan over here to the other side, we'll see the Senzer branded speaker on this side with that RGB light. And there you have it, everyone. An affordable RGB gaming speaker, the Senzer CS20. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to give us a like, consider subscribing to the channel, and click the bell notification so you're updated when new videos are uploaded. As always, appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.